I think I know.
What?
You know those big explosion thingies?
It has to do nothing with explosion.
It's a whistle? Oh, that's
Hold
what
on.
you like. That's
Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead.
That's a bomb.
No.
And like what is it? Oh, I know that sound, but I don't know what
Yeah.
it's called.
Yes.
Virus on a computer.
It's computer related, but it's not virus.
A hacker.
No. You want to hear it again?
Yeah, sure. I think I know.
No.
Is it like when you click and like you edit it?
No. Let's do it again. Okay, from the very beginning.
Alright.
Ready?
When you call somebody. I know. It's
Go.
when you call somebody.
Almost true.
When you call somebody, it explodes.
No.
You call somebody and your phone lags out and it like breaks.
Why do you call somebody? And who do you call? You're right. You call somebody.
You call someone for an SOS.
Well, almost. So, it's a call.
Uh-huh.
But for what?
For,
I'm gonna give you a hint.
I know it. I know
It was used in the 90s and early 2000s by almost everybody.
What?
I'm giving you a hint. It was used almost by everybody.
It was almost. Is it a bomb?
No, it's not the bomb.
I actually don't know. Is it? No.
What do you think?
When it's an emergency call?
So we established that it's a phone call related. But for what? And what exactly?
Emergency? For an SOS call.
No.
Emergency. Just emergency.
No.
Fire emergency?
No.
Police
It's not
emergency?
an emergency.
The bank account being hacked.
It's I'm gonna give you another hint. It's computer related. So we have a phone call and we have computer related.
It's a phone call. It's computer related. But a computer is getting destroyed from a
No.
hacker. Oh.
Well, not always, but what do you think?
I don't know. I heard that a million times, but I don't know what it is.
Where did you heard it?
In YouTube videos.
So, come on, take another guess.
Let me think. You're calling somebody because to get help because your computer is getting hacked real bad.
No. Max?
I think it is a nice one.
There was
Get
no
it.
iPhone back in the days.
I think I know what it is.
What is it?
Like no.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go listen to this thing one more time.
Fine, one more time.
Ready?
Yeah. Police call. Is it a whistle? Is it a whistle? Okay, there's something I have to do with the bomb or an explosion.
No.
Wait! Whistle? I think I know.
What?
You know those big explosion thingies?
It has to do nothing with explosions.
Is it a whistle?
It's not a whistle.
Because of a problem. But that's about a computer. But I don't know any. I'm really confused.
Don't cheat, don't look.
I don't even see anything from here.
Max, take a guess.
I'm trying to think.
So we have a calling and we have a computer.
Yeah.
Calling a computer.
I'm gonna give you a hint. Something you guys use every day now.
A phone.
Not
Technology.
Well, you do use. Yes, it's a phone. Yes, it's a technology. But what is it?
Video game.
It's not a video game.
Oh, is it like back in the days, NES's?
What?
Is it NES?
No. I mean, what you guys saying? Everything is related. You guys technically correct about everything.
Oh.
But it's a one thing that.
But what's the main question I'm supposed to answer right now?
What does the sound belongs to?
It belongs to.
Wait, does it belong to?
I really don't know.
You give up?
Wait.
Wait, one more
Is it a video game?
It's related to a video game. It's also related to phone. It's related to computer. It's related to calling.
Why is it related to like all of these stuff?
Yeah,
Is
but
it-
it's one particular thing you're using every day.
The
You're
light
always
switch.
using it.
The light switch.
The what?
The light switch.
No,
It's
no.
not the light switch.
Yeah, but definitely, if it's like light switch exploding.
Light switches, right?
Yeah,
It's-
yeah.
The light switch
Yeah,
doesn't
but
make that sound.
like electricity wasn't it back in the days, right?
Wait.
There was, but there's like,
There was electricity back
Yeah.
in the days.
but there was not a lot.
So think about it. You wake up, both of you wake up.
Uh-huh.
You have this in your house, and you always complain how slow it is.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, I see.
Almost.
Internet.
Yes.
Oh no!
That's the sound of dial-up modem. That before you had to use your regular phone
And-
to call the provider, and when you finish calling, it would connect you to the internet through your phone.
Okay, just go to the next
Oh.
one. Let's go
Well,
to
that
the
was
next
it.
one.
That was it. That was.
Oh, that was